Most people think full-size sedans are either boring or financial disasters waiting to happen. And when it comes to used large cars, that fear isn't crazy. Some of them age beautifully. Others turn into endless repair bills the moment the warranty expires. So here's the real question. Which full-size sedans do mechanics actually trust? Not bloggers, not fanboys. Mechanics, the guys who see what breaks, what lasts, and what quietly hits 200,000 miles without drama. Today we're breaking down 7 full-size sedans that have earned real-world respect in American repair shops. These are big, comfortable, highway-eating machines that deliver presence and durability without destroying your wallet. If you want space, power, and long-term peace of mind, this is the list you need to see before you buy. Let's get into it. Let's start with the Lexus LS460, specifically the 2010 to 2012 models. If you ask experienced mechanics which full-size luxury sedan is most likely to reach 200,000 miles without becoming a financial disaster, this name comes up fast. Under the hood sits a 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, producing around 380 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, smooth, refined, and engineered with long-term durability in mind. This isn't a stress turbo engine, it's old-school Lexus engineering, built to run quietly for years if maintained properly. The LS platform was designed to compete with the S-Class and 7 Series, but unlike many German rivals, it prioritizes longevity over complexity. The drivetrain itself has a strong reputation when serviced consistently. Timing chain setup, not a belt. Solid transmission history. Strong internal build quality. Now here's where you need to be smart. Avoid models equipped with aging air suspension unless you're prepared for higher repair costs. Also check for proper maintenance of suspension components and cooling system service history. Electronics are generally reliable for its class, but you still want to test every feature. The sweet spot is a well-documented 2010-2012 rear-wheel drive model owned by someone who treated it like the flagship it was. This car is for the buyer who wants true flagship luxury. Quiet cabin, effortless highway performance, real V8 smoothness without inheriting the maintenance chaos of European competitors. When maintained correctly, the LS460 isn't just comfortable, it's durable, and that's why mechanics respect it. Next up is the Toyota Avalon, especially the 2013 to 2018 models with the 3.5-liter V6. If the Lexus is about flagship luxury, the Avalon is about intelligent durability. Under the hood you get Toyota's proven 2GR-FE V6, producing around 268 to 301 horsepower depending on the year. This engine has one of the strongest long-term reputations in the industry. It uses a timing chain, not a belt. And when properly maintained, it's common to see these engines surpass 250,000 miles. The 6-speed automatic transmission paired with it is also widely respected for smooth operation and longevity. Mechanics like this car because it's predictable, no unnecessary complexity, no fragile turbo systems, no over-engineered electronics, just solid engineering built for American highway miles. Inside, the Avalon feels upscale, soft materials, quiet cabin, excellent ride comfort, but without the maintenance costs of a European full-size sedan. Now what should you check? Suspension wear at higher mileage, especially struts and control arms. Make sure the transmission shifts smoothly, and verify regular oil change history. That's about it. Major catastrophic failures are rare when maintained. The sweet spot is a clean 2014-2017 model with documented service records. This is the sedan for someone who wants full-size comfort, strong V6 power, and long-term ownership confidence without stress. It may not scream status, but it quietly delivers reliability that mechanics consistently trust. Now let's talk about a full-size sedan that many people underestimate, the Ford Taurus. Specifically the 2013 to 2018 models with the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6. This is not the flashy choice on the list, but it's one mechanics respect for a simple reason: the drivetrain is proven. The 3.5L Cyclone V6 has been used across multiple Ford platforms for years, producing around 288 horsepower in the Taurus. It's a timing chain engine with a solid long-term reputation when oil changes are done on schedule. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, the setup is generally durable and designed for American commuting and highway mileage. The key here is to avoid the EcoBoost twin-turbo versions if your goal is long-term simplicity and lower maintenance risk. The naturally aspirated version is the smarter play. On the road, the Taurus feels heavy and planted. It's built more like a highway cruiser than a sports sedan, which actually helps durability because it's not tuned aggressively. Inside, you get generous space, comfortable seating, and a quiet ride that makes it a strong long-distance car. What should you check? Water pump service history is important because it's internally mounted on this engine design. Also verify transmission smoothness and inspect suspension components at higher mileage. The sweet spot is a well-maintained 2014-2017 SEL or limited model with service records. This car is for someone who wants space, solid V6 power, and mechanical predictability without luxury brand repair anxiety. It may not turn heads, but it earns respect in repair shops, and that matters. Next is the Chevrolet Impala, specifically the 2014 to 2019 generation with the 3.6-liter V6. This is one of the most improved American full-size sedans of the last decade. Under the hood you get GM's 3.6L V6 producing just over 300 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. When properly maintained, this engine has a solid track record in multiple GM vehicles, which is exactly why mechanics are familiar with it, and familiarity usually means predictable repairs and accessible parts. The Impala rides on a well-developed platform that balances comfort and stability. On the highway, it feels planted and smooth, with enough power for confident passing without feeling stressed. Inside, the cabin is spacious, modern for its time, and far more refined than older Impalas people remember. Now here's where you need to pay attention. Regular oil changes are critical, and you want to verify that the transmission shifts cleanly without hesitation. Listen for suspension noise over rough roads, especially in higher mileage examples. Also check all electronic features, but overall catastrophic drivetrain failures are not common when maintenance is consistent. The sweet spot is a 2015-2018 V6 model with documented service history and no heavy fleet abuse. This car is ideal for someone who wants a large, comfortable American sedan with strong power and manageable ownership costs. It doesn't carry a luxury badge, but it delivers full-size space and real-world durability, which is exactly why many mechanics trust it as a long-term daily driver. And finally, the Kia Cadenza, especially the 2014 to 2019 models with the 3.3-liter V6. This is one of the most overlooked full-size sedans in the US market, and that's exactly why it can be such a smart buy. Under the hood you get a naturally aspirated 3.3L V6, producing around 290 horsepower, paired with a conventional 6-speed automatic transmission. No turbochargers, no complicated air suspension, just a straightforward modern V6 setup designed for smooth daily driving. The powertrain has shown solid long-term durability when maintained properly, and because the Cadenza doesn't carry a luxury badge premium, you're often getting more features for less money. Inside, the car feels upscale: leather seating, large infotainment screen, quiet cabin, and a soft, composed ride that competes with more expensive sedans. Mechanics tend to respect this car because it's not overcomplicated. The engine design is shared across other Hyundai-Kia products, meaning parts availability and service familiarity are strong across the US. What should you check? Regular oil change history is key, as with any direct injection engine. Inspect suspension components at higher mileage and verify smooth transmission shifts. Avoid heavily neglected fleet examples and look for a private owner vehicle with documented maintenance. The sweet spot is a clean 2016-2018 model with service records. This car is for the buyer who wants full-size comfort, modern design, and long-term dependability without paying for a luxury logo. It flies under the radar, and sometimes that's exactly what makes it such a smart decision. Here's the bottom line. Full-size sedans may not be trendy, but they're some of the smartest buys in today's market. While everyone chases SUVs, these cars deliver space, power, comfort, and proven durability for a fraction of their original price. The common thread is simple: reliable engines, conventional transmissions, and real-world track records that mechanics trust. They're not flashy for the wrong reasons. They're respected because they last. Now tell me, which one would you actually keep long-term? Drop it in the comments, and if you believe smart buying beats hype, subscribe because reliability never goes out of style.